think the forgiveness portion of it really has been highlighted for me. I think I could feel it happening as you were doing it. So I guess starting from the beginning, the minute that you placed your hands on my forehead, I think it was my forehead and my cheeks, immediately I just felt like a nice pressure. It was almost like a peaceful kind of pressure. And then as you worked your way down, there was always like a light. There was always a light.
It was always.
Mm-hmm. It would sometimes dim, but it was there. And as you worked your way down, I think when you got close to my throat, I really began to see the light a lot brighter. And it was right in the middle. It was right in the middle too. And then as you got to my chest, I could feel that that's where all the work really began to happen, because I felt like that pressure was back, but it was like it was almost like a comforting pressure. And then I continued to see the light in the middle of my forehead. And then I think I cried. I think I had a tear maybe, but I didn't feel choked up. It wasn't like the kind of tear that where I feel like I need to cry. It was like a very peaceful release almost. And then as you got to my knees, I think that's where I felt almost like a wind that moved inside, because I was able to breathe deeper. It was like my breathing just went in a lot deeper than it normally would. And that's normally what I feel in my experience has been when my anxiety subsides, because there's no more that blockage. I can actually breathe. And that's exactly what I felt when you got to my legs. And then when you got to my feet, it was just the light. I just kept seeing that bright light.
How did you feel right after the session?
I feel amazing. I mean, I just feel like smiling. I don't know. I just feel really light.
And how do you feel now?
I feel great. I feel peaceful. Just ready to just go through the day and, just lighter.
We were talking, it would be nice to keep that peace throughout the day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It would be nice to like go through the day feeling this way is ideal. I think the forgiveness portion of it really has been highlighted for me. I think I could feel it happening as you were doing it. It was like the heaviness was all the burdens, and then now it's like I can feel myself being open to forgive after this session. It was just an opening. It feels like something was opened up.